Hey guys, Christian here with another one of my exciting adventures, hanging with my buddy Florence. Today we're down in Fiorldand National Park in the Hollyford Valley, and we are going to be doing the Lake Marian track. It's 3 hours there and back, very easy little walk, but it's absolutely gorgeous. I came out here once over a year ago, and I haven't been back since, but I'm very excited to do it again today. It's a little slick. I made the mistake of stepping off the track to take a pee, and now I'm covered in these stupid little things. Just got a massive amount of tit sweat going on right now. It feels gross. Yeah, very cold. I like this rock. This is my rock. I'm claiming it now. Woohoo! Your turn. So as far as hiking goes, that was a real easy one to get up to the lake here, but it's definitely worthwhile if you want to have a really good time.